Good morning, all HND candidates. In this short video, I'm going to show you the steps how to download HND questions on the CMR HND platform. The first thing you have to do is to create an account. So while you are on the website as a student, click on the Get Started button. Either this button here on my mouse or this one at the right. Is advisable to use this at the right. So click on Get Started. Click on Get Started. Click on Continue as Student. Here the website loads to this page. So this is the procedure how to create your account. You fill in the form, your first name, last name, username, email, telephone number, your town, select your gender, select your level, and then select your specialty. Once you select your specialty, your department will be displayed instantly. Enter your specialty, the name of your institution and the location where your institution is found. Type in your password. It should be minimum 8 letters. It should have a capital letters and then numbers. Make your password very strong. So let's try to give it a sample. Capital letters and then okay, my password is very strong. So retype the same password here. Click on the eye icon to see as you are typing, and then click on the eye icon to close in order not to forget your password. And the level of choose file, take note, insert your profile photo. Select an image, click on choose file to insert your profile photo, and your account will be created, and then you will be directed to the login page or to your dashboard. So assuming you already have an account, when you click on Get Started, they will bring you here. So simply click on already have an account, click here to log in. This is a login. Enter your email address and your password to log in. Enter your email address and your password to log in. Okay, we can see login successful, and it's going to direct you to your dashboard, as you can see with the profile photo. So this is your profile. On the profile we have questions, we have common courses. If you want to download questions for common courses like English, French, economics, law and citizenship, entrepreneurship, computer studies, just click on common courses and it's going to load. So we can see the various common courses here. Just click the download button on any of the questions you want to download. Click on the download button and then instantly the question will be downloaded. That's it, start download automatically. So this is how you can download common courses on the platform. Now the most important part is to download your specialty courses, major courses. So click on HND questions. We have mock questions, and then we have revision question, that is CA and quizzes. Then we have mock questions. If in case you are preparing for the mock based on your specialty, take note, questions are available here based on your specialty. So click on HND exam questions to download questions for your specialty. So here we have HND software engineering questions, and I have these two questions. This is the demo. So when you log into your account, you will see more questions. So that is it. Simply click on the download file and you have questions available for your specialty. So that is how you can download questions on the HND platform. See you next time.